Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. Today is 10th June 2022. Um, Fourth day in Cox's Bazar, and another day. And today is really shiny, as you guys have already seen. There is the ocean. My room is the ocean view room. So today is a really shiny, bright day, and so now I'm going to the Buddhist temple that I mentioned yesterday in my last video, but yesterday we couldn't go there, so going now hopefully. So, and wearing my shirt that I bought yesterday, you guys probably have seen in the previous video. So anyways, I'm loving this shirt. It's super comfortable and fits really nice. So anyways, let's go and see if we can make it to the temple today, and then we'll definitely go to that new beach that I found yesterday. So let's go. Hey guys, we are now going to the tuk-tuk. Hey guys, we don't know the exact location of the temple, but that's why we are following the Google map. So hopefully we'll make it today. Let's see what happens. Finally found the road to the temple, and now making it to the temple. It's really high up in the hills, Cox's Bazar hills. So now you guys can see how the tuk-tuk is driving. It's really hard to drive the inclined road. super bad luck. The temple that I wanted to go, they few years ago they turned it into a Bangladesh Navy camp. So now you cannot go through that road, and they don't even know that if there is any alternate road to go to that temple. Only locals knows that. So and Google Earth doesn't have the new road. So that's why going to another temple, and let's see what happens. So let's go.